Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
The Paulson Bridge, located on Highway 3 in British Columbia, Canada, spans a gorge near the community of Paulson. This bridge is a vital part of the Crousnest Highway, connecting the towns of Christina Lake and Castlegar. The bridge measures 258 meters in length and features a 165-meter arch, standing 84 meters above McCrae Creek and the Columbia and Western Rail Trail. It was completed and dedicated in 1962 by the Minister of Highways, the Honorable P.A. Gaglardi. The area around the bridge is known for its natural beauty, including the Monashee Mountains. The Blueberry Paulson Summit, also called Bonanza Pass, is a high mountain pass at an elevation of 1,517 meters above sea level, located in the Monashee Mountains. Today, the Paulson Bridge and its surroundings continue to be a significant landmark in the region, offering both historical interest and natural beauty.
Thanks for watching!